Good morning, guys. Good morning. Bikang ko dito sa purok, guys. Nag-una mi dito. Nga nangatag sa ayuda nga bugas. Naglimpyo mi. Tapos na ako ihatag nga bugas ayuda. Naglimpyo mi sa purok, guys. Nag-una mi. Nagditsan ko dito sa purok. Malimpyo mo dito sa akong purok. Ilis ko tubig, guys. Wala tubig ang thermos, guys. Yan ang tubig. Importante man ang tubig, guys. Ano? Sige man tag dili kapit di ininit ang
sino naman mo ang may kapangyarihan magsampa ng kaso laban sa kanila?
Kasi ang mga kaso, no? Nagkakaroon naman ng issue at talaga as early na investigative news or the factor legalities, no? Ngayon lang, medyo meron konting addition kasi we have the ICI. Almost like ito pwede naman talagang naging yung investigation at the pwede natin evidence of the office of the ombudsman to do this build up.
maghaling pa ko, guys, upang halingon kayo.
May protection ba o immunity ang mga senador once na arrestuhin sila? Or can they opt to remain in the Senate premises para hindi sila arrestuhin?
Yung po kasi Scotty, no, from an arrest, is only applicable for cases or charges amounting to imprisonment of 6 years or less. No, kung halimbawa, if it's a multi-million or multi-trillion scandal that you're facing, definitely it will go inside the case of plunder, no, or definitely hindi po po yan na po pwedeng invoke yung kanilang parliamentary immunity. So the arrest could actually be made and yun nga, no, even though it is pwede na po silang incarcerate.
If some of our allegedly involved senators are ordered arrested, how would this affect the Senate and the legislative work, especially now na we are in the budget season?
Malaking epekto actually, especially probably from a personal standpoint, you know. I mean, how could you possibly dispensation of your official duty if at the back of your mind is this lingering doubt that there are cases that may be filed against you, that at any time you may be arrested. So definitely, it's the quality of your work, their dedication, their commitment to what you're doing, because siyempre, at the end of the day, self-preservation for they really want to make sure na hindi sila tutulong at
Tawagin ko nun, ito wala kang malabo.
Hello, guys. Ladbird. Hello, ladbird. Mga ladbird na po, guys.
And siyempre ngayon, may mga ibang senators na nasa opposition na paparatana may involvement dito sa flood control issue na to. So, it really, I think it will affect their performance. And pero yun I think at the end of the day, kailangan talaga mas maging mabilis. Ito nga,
province sa India walang alam,
dahil sa kanila. Para naman kung wala silang kaugnayan at wala naman talaga silang involvement dito, they can already go on with their lives, you know, the usual course of their day-to-day tasks. Para wala na silang anxiety, no, at the back of their head na iniisip, especially cases like this, which is really, really big.
Sa bata na yung yatimat ang ladbird.
Thank you so much for your time today.
Ako, ladbird, manok. Manok ang pamuhi, ladbird. Pagawa na ko yung manok ko na. Tinda ko Ay. Kayo guys, oh. Pagawa na ko yung luik yung manok. Nagkay may dito sa tangkal. Sino ako. Kainit. Musta, nok-nok. Musta. Ay. Tapag ginanambo, oh. Mura man tagmanari ay ani eh. Daga man taghiniktan. Inita guys, oh.
Hindi sila panahon ng lakson. Social media. Mga tao, kaniging tao, kaniging gitawag ng pala, knowledge sa know-how.
Bye bye guys for watching. Love you all. Amping tatanan guys. Bye bye.